Summer, fun, first-class tennis, and delicious Istrian specialties, all at one place. This means that we are in Umag at the 24th annual Vegeta Croatia Open.
I always say the same, I love the small towns. Here it's lovely, the hotel is 2-minute drive, we have drivers 24 hours a day. The restaurant is here, walking distance. The tournament director is always very kind to us.
Your weather here is amazing. Everybody has been so wonderful to us. We've had such a wonderful experience for our first time here, so we can't wait to come back. You know, you let me know when you want me to come, I'm here.
I love to play here because it was my first title here, and it was pretty much a start in the career, you know, to win the tournament, and it was great. I love coming back here. It's summertime, always warm, the sea, so it's a great tournament.
Važnost ovakvih događaja za turizam je iznimna. Naime, ovdje se na djelu pokazuje što znači suvremeni turizam. On nije samo uživanje u prirodnim ljepotama, nego je jedan zanimljiv spoj kulture, turizma, kulture, sporta, druženja, ugostiteljstva. Jednom riječju vidite da i ovaj veliki broj ljudi ovdje, pa rekao bih cijele Europe, ponajbolje o tome svjedoči.
It has become a tradition for some of the world's best tennis players to visit Umag, and it has been so this year as well. We should mention the names of Gasquet, Monfils, Dolgopolov, and Robredo. After an excellent week, it was a Spanish player, Tommy Robredo, who had beaten Italian Fognini in 2 sets in the finals, becoming the 24th tennis player to hold the title of the winner of Vegeta Croatia Open in Umag.
I'm tired, but I'm very happy. It's been a great year, great week. It's never easy to win a title, especially when you play against a guy like Fognini that he has been winning like a lot of matches in a row. So I know, I have to be very proud. Last year it was a very difficult year for me, and coming back this year, winning 2 titles. I had done this only once in my life when I was 5 in the world. So now I'm turning something, and this time I win 2 titles in a row, and there is nearly 4 or 5 months to come. So I'm very, very happy.
An innovative project, Istria Experience, was presented during the tournament. The aim of the project is to give all the visitors and tourists easier access to information on riches of Istrian tourism. One of the attractions of Istria Experience, introduced this year, is a hot air balloon ride, which gives tourists a chance to experience Istria from a bird's eye view.
Well, I think Istria Experience is a great program because it allows the guests that are already here at the hotels, Istria tourist hotels, to be able to take day trips and see a lot of Croatia, a lot of Istria, without having to go through somebody else or a third party. They're able to just go up to the info booths, book their trips, or even go up to a display or online, even on their mobile phone.
Except for fantastic tennis, the Vegeta Croatia Open in Umag has become a synonym for exciting nightlife. Numerous local and international music stars gave great performances, enchanting the audience in Umag, but also they were proud to be given a chance to be a part of this unique event.
Super mi je u Umagu, nisam tu prvi put, to sam već rekla, prvi put pjevam i nadam se da ću sutra možda stići pogledati meč, znam da mi ide prijateljica, tako da ne znam, vidjet ćemo.
Evo, ja sam drugi put u životu, 3. put, mali maturalac, 8. razred, tog se baš ne sjećam, to je bilo još u prošlom stoljeću. Onda bili smo prije 2 godine tu nastupali na ovom glavnom terenu i to je bilo zanimljivo. I eto nas sad na ATP-u napokon i koliko smo malo vidjeli, za sad je super. Ja se nadam da večeras nakon koncerta idemo iskusiti noćni život.
Meni je drago da smo ove godine ovdje, uglavnom pratim ili na televiziji ili čujem od prijatelja koji su ovdje bili. Svi imaju više nego dobre iskustva od ovude, drago mi da smo sad dio toga.
young Ukrainian Alexander Dolgopolov has been surprising Umag audience both on and off the tennis court for years.
I like the tournament overall, you know, it's good organization, you can relax a little bit and have the matches in the evening. I don't like to wake up too early, so for me it's perfect, and it's not too hot in the evening, getting cooler, so the balls are not flying that much, and you have some time to relax, you know.
After his last year's debut at the ATP Party Night stage, this year Dolgopolov and his French colleague Monfils created a true rap spectacle during the Miss Hostess pageant.
May I have your attention, please? Well, the real Slim Shady, please stand up, please stand up, please
Who got the realest team?
I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady, all the other Slim Shadys are just some odds. Both the real Slim Shady, please stand up, please stand up, please stand up. I'm like a head trip to listen to.
Istria Gourmet Festival proved to be an important part of this delight for all senses this year as well. A new event named Taste Istria was organized at traditional locations such as Naša Kužina, Istria Gourmet Restaurant by San Rocco, and Vinistra, where many refined Istrian products have been presented: wine, olive oil, truffles, cheese, and ham. Wine tastings titled Hidden Delights of Istrian Wine were an excellent chance for tasting of wines produced from autochthonous Istrian sorts. The Ralda Rosé was voted the ATP wine for this year.
Napraviti neko vino gdje ćete uvijek prepoznat koje je vaše, to je jako, jako lijepo. Znači da ima neki karakter.
Tennis players and audience, lovers of good food and wine, tennis and good fun, agree that the ATP tournament in Umag has become an unavoidable destination in their schedule, and they are eager to see what the organizers are preparing for the next year.
24. izdanje Vegeta Croatia Opena, sigurno jedno od najboljih u povijesti, dugoj povijesti Umaga. Od prvog kola gledali smo fantastične mečeve, tribine su bile pune i centralnog stadiona, ali svi ostali tereni su još od kvalifikacija bili izvrsno popunjeni. Drago nam je da publika dolazi u što većem broju. Velika stvar za turnir je što su prijenosi naših mečeva bili gledani po neslužbenim podacima još u više od 180 zemalja svijeta, od Sjedinjenih Američkih Država, Europe, Rusije i daleke Kine. To je velika stvar jer time prezentiramo Umag kao turističku destinaciju, Istru i cijelu Hrvatsku.
There is nothing more to say other than see you next year at the even bigger and better 25th annual Vegeta Croatia Open in Umag in all the colors of Istria.